Yes. So sine of any angle is same as cosine of its complementary angle. जैसे cos 30 degree will be same as sine 90 minus 30, that is 60 degree. Sine 15 degree will be same as cos. Complementary of 15 is 75 degree. So cos 30 degree is nearly same as sin 30 degree. So complementary angles के लिए basically value same होता है. So cos 82 degree will be as good as sine of what? Cos 82 degree is sine of what?
8 degree.
8 degree. Complementary angle for 82 is 8 degree. So sine 8 degree. निकालना था cos 82, which we cannot, but this is same as sin 8 degree. And sin 8 degree I can estimate because 20 degree से कम angle होगा तो sin tan हम निकाल सकते हैं. So sin 8 degree is nearly same as this one, right? तो कितना हो गया? 0.0 डबल के 0.35 0.14, so 0.14. So answer is 0.14. So sine 8 degree is 0.14, hence cos 82 degree is also 0.14. So this is an important approximation in trigonometry. ठीक है, ये हो गई कहानी. Then next is converse of this. Suppose sine of some angle is 0.2. You have to determine that angle. Sine of some angle is 0.2. Sin theta की वैल्यू 0.2 दे. So you have to find theta in degrees, approximate values. कैसे करेंगे? You have to find
0.2 into 57.
0.175.
divide by 0.175 या उसके लिए एक दूसरा शॉर्टकट लिखा था, multiply by 57 degree. तो ये 11.4 डिग्री हो जाएगा या 11 degree 24 minutes approximately. So this is the shortcut. So if sine theta is 0.2, so theta is nearly same as 0.2 into 57 degree. अगर रेडियन में बोला था तो 0.2 रेडियन ही आंसर, राइट? तो यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ, if x is small then and sine theta is x, so theta is also x in radians. If you want to convert into degrees, multiply by 57 degree. So that's a shortcut. Easy हो जाएगा मेरा काम. This will be in degrees. इससे multiply करो. Right? So this is another shortcut. This is again true for tan also. So if x is small and tan theta is x, then theta is x in radians. So x into 57 degrees. Right? तो ये हो गया हमारा approximation. Now I'll write few questions. You estimate it. सब इजी है, ऑलरेडी हमने कर लिया समझो. बस फटाफट वैल्यूज निकालो, विल मैच इट. आपको आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा? You have to determine these values. I'll give you 2 minutes. सारी values सोच लो, फिर बोर्ड पे एक-एक करके मैं लिखता हूँ. Listen, sin 10 degree. निकाला किसी ने? What is sin 10 degree orally?
0.175.
0.175. Cos 85 degree. Cos 85 degree.
0.0875.
0.875. इसका हाफ कर देना. Tan 15 degree.
0.2625.
0.262. Sin 20 degree.
0.35.
0.35. Tan 7 degree.
0.1225.
Cos 78 degree.
0.3.
3 नहीं 3 नहीं आएगा.
0.035.
2 ना correct. 0.21 ना. This is same as cos 78, same as sin 12 degree, right? हाँ, तो 12 degree is 12 into 0.0175 radian, so that is 0.2. Sin inverse 0.1. This is what? For what angle? For what angle sin gives 0.1? ये basically यहाँ पे. अगर sin theta का value x होता है तो we write theta as sin inverse of x. Sin goes on that side and we write it as sin inverse x. So sin inverse 0.1 means 0.1 into 57 degree. That is 5.7. Cos inverse 0.1. This how will you determine? For which angle cos gives 0.1? तो ये प्रॉपर्टी लिखना मैं भूल गया. दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. साइन इनवर्स x प्लस cos इनवर्स x इज 90 डिग्री. साइन इनवर्स x प्लस cos इनवर्स x इज 90 डिग्री. तो cos इनवर्स 83.3 ना, sorry 84.3. See, cos inverse 0.1 we cannot determine. Cos inverse 0.1.
Yes, 84.3.
So 90 degree minus sin inverse 0.1. This is what I can do. So this is 90 degree and sin inverse 0.1 is 5.7 degree. So this becomes 84.3 degrees. So cos 0.1 inverse 0.1 is 84.3 degree. 84 degrees 18 minutes. Right. Then next is next one. Tan inverse 0.2. Tan inverse 0.2 is how much?
11.4.
11.4 degrees. Then tan inverse 0.15. Again 57 into 0.15. So how much it is? 7.5. So 8.55 degree approximately, right? Then sin inverse 0.3 once again as what? Sin inverse 0.3 is 0.3 into this, so 17.1. आ रहा ना समझ में? Cos inverse 0.2. What is cos inverse 0.2? Cos inverse 0.2.
88.6.
Sorry?
88.6 degree.
नहीं, 88.6 कैसे आएगा बेटा?
Sorry, 78.6.
78.6. See, cos inverse 0.2 we cannot determine. I'll have to write 90 degree minus sin inverse 0.2. This is what I have to do. So 90 degree sin inverse 0.2 is known. That's 0.2 into 57 degree. So 90 degree minus 11.4 degree. That is 78.6 degree. So sin inverse 0.3 is 78.6 degree. Then next. Tan 53 degree. Tan 53 degree value will not be given. You have to remember. What is tan 53 degree? एनीवन? ये एक स्पेशल ट्रायंगल था 3 4 5 जो आपको लर्न करना है, याद रखना है। There was a
3/4.
triangle 3/4 नहीं, 4/3, थोड़ा सा उल्टा कर दिया, 4/3 tan 53 degree, trust me this you have to by heart, huh? tan मतलब वो 3 4 5 triangle याद होगा तो you'll be easily able to write. See how this is 3 4 5. This angle will naturally be small, so this is 37 degree, this is 53 degree, and this is 90 degree. So tan 53 degrees, opposite side by adjacent, 4/3. So tan 53 degrees, 4/3. Sin 37 degree,
So 3/5.
3/5.
3/5. 3/5 is the answer. Cot 63 degree. Cot 63 degree. बनाया था वो ट्रायंगल? नहीं बनाया.
B/2.
This is half. See, this was a special triangle. 1 2 root 5. This angle is 63 degree, and this is 27 degree. So cot 63 degree is adjacent by opposite. So 1
So 1/2.
1/2, correct. Tan 45 degree. ये तो बचपन से पढ़ रहे. This we have done in 10th also. Tan 45.
1.
1.
1. Cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is
1/2.
Half.
1/2. Cos 37 degree. Cos 37 degrees
4/5.
4/5, 0.8, right? So this is what we say is approximations in trigonometry. Trigonometry में जो approximations लगते हैं ये वो है. Okay. Now रब करता हूँ. I believe ये आपको अच्छे से आ गया. No. Next, algebra का एक topic है series है. Series. This also we need in math, physics. Series. Sequence and series है. Sequence and series. Series किसको बोलते हैं? If there is a regular pattern, like 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and so. There is a regular pattern. कुछ तो चीज है जो रिपीट हो रही है, मतलब कुछ एक पैटर्न फॉलो हो रहा है. वही पैटर्न अगर फॉलो होता है और कुछ नंबर्स लिखते हैं तो दे फॉर्म अ सीरीज. लाइक एक और एग्जांपल लिखता हूँ. 1 1 2 3 5 8 11. There's again a series, right? This is 3 5 7 9 11. There's again a series. So there are different types of series, right? 2-3 सीक्वेंस है जो हमारा सिलेबस में डिटेल में पढ़ते हैं. अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन, अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन, एपी शॉर्ट फॉर्म में एपी बोलते हैं हम. मैथ्स में अगेन यू विल हैव टू स्टडी दिस इन डिटेल, बट फिजिक्स में कभी अचानक से जरूरत पड़ जाती है तो आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू बिफोर यू स्टडी इन मैथ्स. अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन. If there is a series which is obtained by adding a constant number, for example 3 है, अगर इसमें 4 ऐड किया तो 7, 4 ऐड किया 11, 15 and so on. ऐसे जो सीरीज होती है इसको बोलते हैं अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन और जस्ट एन एपी. So what is an arithmetic progression? Sequence or series of number obtained by adding a constant, a fixed number to each term to obtain next term. Here I am adding 4 every time to obtain next term. तो ये क्या बन गया? This becomes an arithmetic progression और AP. ठीक है. Now इसके लिए उसको ऐड, इसके लिए आपको क्या क्या याद रखना है? TN, sum of first n terms of nth term of the sequence. nth term of the sequence क्या होता है? एक ऐसा एक्सप्रेशन है, नंबर एक्सप्रेशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ n जिस पे आप n का कुछ वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करोगे तो आपको टर्म मिलेगा. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई से दिस इज 4n minus 1, that means what I want to claim is, if you want to obtain the terms of this sequence, put n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on in this expression. For example, put n equals to 1, 4 1s are 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. Put n equals to 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 1 is 7, 4 3s are 12, minus 1 is 11. So इसको बोलते हैं nth term of the sequence. Nth term of the sequence is expression in terms of n, which can be used to obtain any term of the sequence. Which can be used to obtain any term of the sequence by substituting the values of n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So this is what I say is arithmetic progression. General form. What is general form of AP? General form of AP is A plus D, A plus 2D plus 3D and so on. So general form of AP is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. A stands for first term. See, A first term है. इसमें आपने कुछ ऐड किया. क्या ऐड किया? D ऐड किया. फिर आपने ऐड किया. क्या ऐड किया? D ऐड किया. फिर D ऐड किया. तो D तो फर्स्ट टर्म हो गया. फर्स्ट टर्म is A and then D stands for common difference. उसको बोलते हैं common difference. Right? You have studied in 10th standard. So D is common difference. So A stands for first term and D is common difference. Now, what is nth term of the sequence? Nth term of the sequence is A plus n minus 1 into D. Nth term of this sequence is A plus n minus 1 into D. ये होता है आपके सीक्वेंस का nth term. ठीक है? How it works? Suppose you want to determine nth term of the sequence 3, 7, 11, 15 and so on. You have to find nth term of the sequence. So I know this is an arithmetic progression. First term as 3. So A is 3, n minus 1 into D. D का value is 4. Common difference is 4. So 3 plus 4n minus 4. That is 4n minus 1. तो ऐसे निकालते हैं हम nth term of the sequence. So nth term of the sequence is 4n minus 1. Clear है? Okay. Then next is what? Sum of first n terms. Sum of first n terms of AP means what? ये जो पहले के जैसे ये पहले के 3 टर्म्स हैं, इनको ऐड करना है. तो 3, 7, 11 and so on. तो sum of first n terms of AP. तो जैसे 3 टर्म्स है, फर्स्ट 4 टर्म्स का सम, फर्स्ट 5 टर्म्स का सम है. तो उसका रेडी फॉर्मूला है. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस एज अ फॉर्मूला. Those who all are studying, who have opted maths, उनको ये कुछ दिन में एकदम बाय हार्ट हो जाएगा, because this is a detailed chapter in 11th standard in maths, right? Sequence and series बड़ा चैप्टर है, बट जिनने नहीं पढ़ा तो उनको तो यहीं पे सीखना है. प्लस अभी उस चैप्टर के पहुंचने के पहले फिजिक्स में यूज होगा, तो you need to know this. So SN, sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. How this works? Suppose you want to determine sum of first n terms of this sequence. So I'll say n by 2. 2a. First term is 3. So 2 3s are 6 plus n minus 1 into d. Common difference is 4. So n by 2, 6 plus 4n minus 4. So n by 2, 6 minus 4 is 2. Take 2 common and cancel कर दो. If you take 2 common from this bracket and cancel out, n into 2n plus 1 will be. Right? Now let's see whether this formula works fine or not. Suppose you want to find sum of first 3 terms of this sequence. So put n equals to 3. 3, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, that is 7, 21. अभी ऐड करके देखो 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 11, 21. So ये देखो 21. Suppose you want to find sum of first 5 terms, 15 and 19. First 5 terms. So put n equals to 5. 5, 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11. This is 55. Add कर लो इनको 3 plus 7, 10 plus 11, 21, 36, 55. So the total is 55. So sum of first n terms of a sequence is given by formula n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So क्या क्या याद रखना? For arithmetic progression, we need to remember formula for Tn and then formula for Sn. ठीक है? Then next is sum of first n natural numbers. Sum of first n natural numbers. पहले n natural numbers का total निकालना है. जैसे 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 करते करते n numbers करना. You have to remember this as a direct result, n into n plus 1 by 2. The sum of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. Then sum of squares of first n natural number, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square, 2n square is n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6. ये भी ready formula है, आपको याद रखना है. Sum of squares of first n natural numbers is 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square up to n square is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Then sum of cubes of first n natural numbers, that is 1 cube, 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube up to n cube is what? N square n plus 1 whole square by. So पहले sum of first n natural numbers, this is sum of squares of first n natural numbers. Sum of squares of first n natural numbers. This is sum of cubes of first n natural numbers. So sum of squares, sum of first n natural numbers, sum of squares of first n natural numbers, sum of cubes of first n natural numbers. ये दिया हुआ है. तो वैल्यूज है n n plus 1 by 2 इसके लिए, स्क्वायर्स के लिए n n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6, क्यूब के लिए n square n plus 1 whole square by 4. क्लियर है? तो ये हो गया आपका सीक्वेंस एपी का और नेचुरल नंबर्स का सम, स्क्वायर्स का सम, क्यूब्स का सम. इसके ऊपर 2-4 क्वेश्चंस करेंगे हम लोग. देन आई विल टेक यू टू नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ सीक्वेंस, दैट इज जीपी. Find sum of first 10 odd numbers. Find up to 20 terms. So these 3 questions, जितना नहीं, ज्यादा नहीं करेंगे, 3 ही क्वेश्चन है. I'll give you 2 minutes. Use the results which I have given you to determine. We'll find the values of these sums. 3 sums I have given. Well, I have sum of first 10 odd numbers. Then second is 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 up to 11, up to 20 terms. Then find 11 square, 12 square and 20, up to 20 square. 2 मिनट लो, ढूंढने की कोशिश करो आता है क्या. First question. Find the sum of first 10 odd natural numbers. 10 odd numbers.
100.
100 is correct answer. See, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 up to 10 terms, right? Up to 10 terms. So this is an AP. So S10 first in terms. So n by 2, 10 by 2, 2a. Twice of 1 plus n minus 1, 10 minus 1 is 9, d is 2. So 5 into, this is 9 2s are 18 plus is 20. Yes. In fact, there's a shortcut also. First n, 1 square, sorry, 1, 3, 5, n terms is n square. Then next is 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 up to 20 terms. How much it is?
440.
440.
440. So how do we get this? अगर आप शॉर्टकट भी देखोगे ना, इसमें 1 और ऐड कर दो तो फर्स्ट 20 ऑड नंबर्स हो जाएंगे. तो 400 हो गया, राइट, माइनस 1. हाउ डिड यू डू दैट? 440 कैसे है? सॉरी 21 टर्म है, सर माय मिस्टेक. 441 minus 1, that is 440. So this is a shortcut. If I add 1 to this, this becomes 4. This is first 21 odd numbers. So square of it will be n square. Shortcut है. So 21 का square 441, but there is one less, so minus 1. So answer is 440. Now next one, third वाला. हाँ, ये किसी को आया?
385. 385.
No. 20 का square alone is 400. How is it possible 385 बेटा? 20 का square अकेला ही आपका कितना होता है? 400. Okay, see. If I ask you to add 1 square, 2 square, 3 square up to 11 square, 12 square, सब add करके up to 20 square, तो ये कितना आएगा? What will be sum of squares of first 20 natural number? What will be sum of squares of first 20 natural numbers? क्या आएगा ये? Anyone? Ready formula है ना यहाँ पे. So 20 plus 1, 2 into 20 plus 1 upon 6. So 7.
2870.
2870.
So 2870. And if I ask you to add 1 square plus 2 square up to 10 square, then what will be your answer? Sum of square of first 10 natural numbers अगर पूछा तो 10, 11, 21 divided by 6.
So 385.
385. Right? This is 7, 35, 385. Now tell me what is 11 square plus 12 square up to 20 square? Now what is 11 square plus 12 square up to 20 square? How much it will be?
2485.
2485. Subtract this. So 11 का square plus 12 का square up to 20 का square. 1 से 20 लिया होता तो 2870. 1 से 10 लेते थे तो it would be 385. तो minus 385 का था. So this is 5, 8, 4, 2, 4. So answer is 2485. Right? Okay. I'll stop here.